Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some designer inspired wall art. I'm using the program Design Space to create the designs, after which I'll just send it to the machine to get it cut. Now I'm cutting the designs I created earlier. I'm using black and silver glitter foam, so I place the foam on a piece of solitex. Now I'm arranging the letters on the foam, after which I'll use the glue gun to attach the letters. I'm using some pieces of tapes to assist me to draw some straight lines on the foam board so that I can center the design correctly. So some of these designs that I'm working with today, I created them from scratch. You can find free images online, but most of them are for sale. If you're gonna use them for business use, you have to purchase them, but for personal use, you can download the free version or the free image. So, or you could just go ahead and create your own image from scratch, like what I'm doing now. Today I'm creating 6 different wall art, but on camera I'll just be framing up and completing one of them for you guys. So this is a piece of strip that I'll be using to create the frame. They come 8 feet long, so I'm just going to take it outside and cut it on the saw, and then I'll just come in and create the frame. So this is how they look after they have been cut to measurement. So I gave them a miter cut on the saw. Now I'm going to use the nail gun and the staple gun and also some glue to create the frame. After creating the frame, I left it overnight to be dried, so now I'm removing the weight. So this is how it turned out, guys, all square, flat and neat. So now I'm just going to flip it over back and I'm just going to insert the glass. So this is a piece of 1/8 clear glass. So now I'm using some alcohol to clean it before I insert the design. Now I'm using some brad nails to hold the solitex and the glass in place. I'm using a tack hammer. I'll leave the link in the description down below. Now I'm attaching an hanging clip to the frame, after which you'll get to see the outcome. If you like the video so far, guys, remember to leave a thumbs up. Now here is the finished look. You'll also get to see what it looks like hanging on the wall.
Kinda stressed out, don't know where my head's at. Feeling like I'm always trying to get up on the right track. On the right track, feeling so lost. Can you help me find the right path?
Baby, if you follow, I'll catch you. Diving in deep, I need a wetsuit. 'Cause ain't nobody coming to our rescue. 'Cause we just gotta do what we gotta do.
This is feeling like deja vu. Every single time I'm coming back to you. I don't know what to do. 'Cause when I'm with you, it still feels brand new.
I need you right or wrong. She ride a shawty in a whip and it's her favorite song. I told her, baby girl, I'm really trying to take you home. This is not the type of thing you want to do alone. So what you waiting on? Waiting on, waiting on.